Okay, so here's some more progress, guys. We have all the liners in the garden beds. All four are lined, and they're filled with the branches here and stuff. Now, you're supposed to fill those like halfway so that you don't have to spend a ton in a leg, an arm and a leg on the dirt, which is still going to be expensive because this is a lot to fill. And oh my goodness, I see spider webs already, and this is just from sitting overnight. Good Lord. But we're going to be okay. We're going to be okay out here in the gardening, planting food. So that's progress. Sam went to get get the dirt. So we'll be filling these with dirt today and probably planting. So we got collards, cauliflower, purple cauliflower, Napa cabbage, Shears cabbage, red Brussels sprouts, broccoli. What's this? More broccoli. I don't know what that is. Asparagus, carrots. Yeah, right? Maybe. Kale. Here's the kale. Spinach. Oh, here's the Swiss chard. Mosquitoes hate this plant. This is a lemon balm. So we're almost done. As you can see, all the beds are full with dirt. Sam and my daughter Grace is working on the sprinkler system, so we don't have to come out here and water all day. It'll be an automatic sprinkler system going, which is very helpful. So we're almost ready to plant. Finally done with this part. Got the water sprinklers all installed, and they are actually working. He just turned them off, but the water comes out all these different holes in here, from here, and there you have it. We don't have to come out here and water throughout the day because we'll have it on a timer. Done with that part. Tomorrow we will plant because we have to get ready for service now. So we are finally planting today. Today is plant day. So we got the carrots going in there now.